Assistant for Supplemental Educational Services. We are comprised of retired teachers, principals, counselors, and other professionals in the field that work with students. What we are going to do today, we want to show where we have also partnered with across globally with the continent of Africa, with Tanzania. And we want to show you what we're doing along with Tanzania to look at issues that we are all having in terms of poverty, trauma, and dealing with substance abuse, teenage pregnancy, and other issues that are affecting our students and families. So you're going to be hearing.
I'm from Tanzania. Maybe some of you will know where Tanzania is and heard people saying asante sana. Asante sana means thank you in Kiswahili. Asante, for those who are coming from West Africa, like my sister, Dr. Vivian. Is it Vivian?
Nigeria in the house.
From Ghana?
No, Nigeria.
Nigeria, okay.
And understanding they can use their gifts and talents to go ahead and serve people. Now, I always say your identity will determine your destiny. Now, as we continue to move forward, we want to make sure that our parents, we have seeds of excellence, okay? So we want to keep it simple. We want to spell the word parent. Okay, parents say, what do I need to do in order to help my young people? First thing you need to do.
Schools. Imagine children from here talking to their colleagues in Tanzania, and they learn from each other. These ones having a different culture and this one have a different culture. Imagine what kind of motivation you are going to trigger from such sides.
So with this collaboration, our goal is to create a cross-continental bridge with technology. We want to connect United States and Tanzania students through this joint holo classroom exchange. We want to share culturally grounded lessons on well-being, equity, and innovation, and then demonstrate how technology can humanize education across borders. So a water filter in augmented reality, which would be here, okay, and it will actually create a water filter that the student is actually working on, okay?
Looking back on my own past, losing a parent, my mother had cancer, and I was traumatized, but you don't realize that when you're in it. And so dance brought me out of it, and looking back on it, I saw how important it was, becoming a teacher, to focus on movement. I did a story yesterday about a child in Oxnard when he came home.